Hello, and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. One of my favorite drinks is the Pina Colada. And everyone knows to make a Pina Colada, you gotta have Coco Lopez because it's just impossible to make a Pina Colada without this flavored coconut cream. Or so we thought. Now, Coco Lopez is the premier coconut cream on the market. However, you can actually make your own coconut cream with two simple ingredients. Really, coconut cream and sugar, because Coco Lopez is nothing more than a coconut cream simple syrup. So I'm going to show you how to make it. It takes less than 5 minutes, and you can make a ton of coconut cream for the same price as one bottle of Coco Lopez. For the ingredients for our coconut cream, we're going to use 1 can of coconut cream and 1 3/4 cup of white sugar. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to get started, we have our can of coconut cream right here. And we're going to go ahead and just scoop it into our pot here. Make sure you get it all out. And then we're going to add our 1 3/4 cup of sugar. And since this is just a simple syrup, we really are just going to go ahead and just keep stirring this. And we're going to let this simmer until all of the sugar has dissolved into the cream. Once it dissolves into the cream, we can go ahead and take it off the stove, place it in a storage container, and then because it's a simple syrup, it'll literally stay in your refrigerator for up to a month, although I doubt it's going to take you that long to drink it all in your Pina Coladas. Anyway, let's come back here in just a minute or two once this is all mixed together, and I'll show you the final product. Okay, our coconut cream is simmered for a couple minutes and it's all dissolved up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and move it and place it into a container. I'm going to pour this into a ball jar here. That's going to take just a little over 2 ball jars. There we go. Homemade Coco Lopez, or coconut cream as we like to call it. This is perfect for Pina Coladas, so go ahead and enjoy, and tune back in a couple of days and I'll actually show you a Pina Colada recipe for this. Thanks. Thanks for joining us today on My Low Country Living as we made homemade coconut cream, otherwise known as Coco Lopez. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one. Thanks.